Hi everyone, welcome. It's Jen here, and we'll do just a short mindfulness morning meditation. You can find a comfortable seat or even standing. I'm standing with my feet a little more than hip distance apart and a soft bend in the knees. We'll go ahead and close our eyes if you're comfortable. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Start to just notice any sensations, no judgment, just noticing. And we'll be mindful if we're swaying a little bit front to back, noticing if the knees have a soft bend, so we feel lightness in the body. Now feeling the support of the earth underneath us. Notice the heels, the inner and outer edges of the feet, and the space underneath the big toe. And taking that stability, feeling rooted through the legs, strong through the core center, the pelvis and the belly. As we begin to inhale, making more space in the chest, so we find more opening. And as we breathe out, feel the shoulders relax down. Feel your face relax. Now imagining a bunch of green leaves, like full branches, expanding from the heart center as we breathe in. Oxygen, life. And as we exhale, feeling even more rooted, grounded. Taking a few more deep breaths on our own, feeling that openness, that expansion. Slowly inhale and take a long exhale. Feeling a little bit lighter. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, or a long breath out. Really connecting to the ground, to the earth, taking that strength, feeling supported. Let's take our hands to heart center and feeling gratitude for our breath, for our practice. Ready to face the day. Namaste. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.